I know this is one content that most of you have been waiting for. Tips and tricks on how to get a remote job. Today I'm going to share like 6 tips with you guys that's going to help anyone who's about to get started, in seeking for a remote role. But that's not to say that that's all there is, but whoever, is getting started. And I hope you find this very useful. So I'm just going to get started with the first step, which is getting your hands dirty. And I'm just going to assume that you've finished your learning either as a self-taught, or you were mentored in a bootcamp training, or you even took a course online or YouTube. Now the next big step is getting your hands dirty. So at this stage on your tech journey, it will be a good start to start seeking out for internship slots, building mini projects, or participating in hackathons, especially for those in the programming parts. This will help to solidify your skills and your learning, right? You'll be able to see scenarios where you'll be able to use the knowledge you've gathered to solve real world problems. There's the applied knowledge, and this is what will help you to attain mastery in what you've learned. Awesome. So the next step is creating or updating your resume or CV. CV, which is a short form for curriculum vitae, summarizes your educational, professional experiences, achievements, and other relevant information required during a job search. Earlier on in step 1, we agreed that it's time to start looking out for internship opportunities because internship roles allows you to learn on a job and gain relevant experiences. You need a well-tailored CV to achieve this goal. A CV that details your information, like it helps to reflect your tech journey, like the latest skills you've acquired, your qualifications and certifications. This added advantage usually helps you to tailor your CV along the ATS search keywords. ATS refers to automated tracking system, which is being used by most of the big 4 tech companies to filter out job applicants, right? Because of the thousands of applications they get. Most recruiters leverage on this system, so they get to pick applicants that their keywords in their CV aligns with the ATS system. And this right here is the reason why most people don't get called for interview stages. You only get a chance to prove yourself when you're being invited for an interview. So my guy, leave that thing. Your village people are not actually the ones doing you, but you're doing yourself. So for those without CV, it wouldn't hurt to create one. And for those who already have, you might want to consider updating your CV. Now that you've successfully created or updated your old CV, the next step would be creating or updating your LinkedIn profile. And I've always argued that the LinkedIn is just a digital version of your CV, which is why most recruiters go there for headhunting hiring. I love this app so much because it helps you create a digital footprint and build a relevant professional network. There was a time when this platform used to be my favorite go-to social media app. If you want to be treated professionally as a tech pro or a tech bee, you need a LinkedIn profile. You can also set job alert updates on your LinkedIn profile as well. So the next step we're looking at is exclusive to the devs, product designers, and other roles that will require collaborative effort across board. Which brings me to this step 4, which is creating a GitHub account. GitHub is a cloud-based platform that lets you track changes to a collection of files. Right? The end goal of having a GitHub account or using the GitHub platform is to allow several team members to work on a project on the same file at the same time without affecting each other's work. GitHub helps to improve collaboration across the globe, right? And even as a software developer, it has a serious use case because for those who are always programming and pushing their code, you're able to do stuff like code review, contribute to a repository and the likes, even for the UI UX designers, right? So a good knowledge of GitHub would make you stand out, and most recruiters go as far as checking out your GitHub accounts to see how much contributions, code review you've been engaging, right? So other version control systems like your GitLab, Bitbucket, don't worry, they're almost the same thing as your GitHub. So once you have a knowledge of one, it's going to help you across board because they all serve the same purpose. One major arc that sets you apart is a good knowledge of your DSA. By DSA, I don't mean Dean of Student Affairs. DSA here refers to data structures and algorithm. This is usually exclusive for those considering the programming or software development route. The norms is to get tested with live coding challenge or a take-home assignment that involves some logic and algorithms. So a good knowledge and proper practice on those Akarang, lead codes, and all those other platforms using their challenges and stages would really come in handy. If you made it this far, congratulations, you have gotten to the finish line. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Also, do well to subscribe on our channel on YouTube. Now, the final step for this remote job series is connecting and networking. I can't even overemphasize the importance of networking and how it has helped me career-wise, just by having like-minded individuals around. Also, you need to be intentional about making new relationships while maintaining old connections. And this is possible when you being part of a tech community or you get to participate in virtual, online, and physical conferences, workshops like Twitter Spaces, where other people get to share their knowledge and experiences and pour out their hearts to you. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't joined the Soft Tech Bro community, what are you waiting for? Do well to search for Soft Tech Bro _NG across all social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. Again, follow, subscribe, like our content to encourage us to do more informative content. Right? We also have an exclusive WhatsApp group which you can join to receive real-time updates and job opportunities. If you've come this far, I have to say congratulations. Well done, guys. And I really can't wait to hear from you and see you very soon. And I hope you get that congratulatory message and congratulatory mail.
Years of looking for job is gone.
Well done. STB for a reason.